ओम ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। भूरम्भांस्य नलोन्निलोम्बरमहर्नाथो हिमांशु पुमान् नित्या भाति चराचरात्मकमिदं यस्यैव मूर्त्यष्टकम् नान्यत् किंचन विद्यते विमृशतां यस्मात् परस्माद् विभोस्तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये। So this shloka is for upasana primarily, and through that mind will get prepared, where I see this world as Ashtamurti, Bhagwan's Shariram, Bhagwan's Vigraha, which is of the eightfold nature. Now the Vartika shlokas begin. Asyevam siddhantaha. Asya tatparyato vyakhyana prapancham arabhate. Prapanchanam arabhate. Prapanchana means the vistara. So the essence of this tatparyato vyakhyana prapanchanam arabhate. Atra idam vivakshitam ashtamurtyatmakam sarvam jagat. The entire world is ashtamurtyatmakam, ashtamurti bhrat. Taccha maheshwar vigraham षट् त्रिंशत् तत्वात्मकम. So the Jagat is eightfold and Paramatma's Vigraha is of the 36 elements. Shat Trimshat Tattvatmakam. Taccha Dvividham. So that is that Maheshwar Vigraha, Bhagavan's Vigraha is twofold. Adhidaivam Adhyatmam Chaiti. That which is Adhidaiva and that which is Adhyatma. Tatra Adyam Brahmandam Chaturdasha Bhuvanatmakam. So the Adhidaiva is the 14 worlds, Chaturdasha Bhuvanatmakam, and Adhyatma is Pindatmakam. So one is Brahmanda, another is Pindanda. एतयोः कार्य कारण रूपेण अभेदात्. ब्रह्मांड पिंडांडयोः कार्य कारण रूपेण अभेदात्. ब्रह्मांड इज कारण, पिंडांड इज कार्यम. सो कार्य कारण, दिस संबंध इज देयर इन उपाधि, बट इन चैतन्य देयर इज नो कार्य कारण संबंध. जीव ईश्वर उपाधि हैज कार्य कारण संबंध. जीव ईश्वर चैतन्य इज वन, देयर इज नो कार्य कारण संबंध. कार्य कारण रूपेण अभेदात. एंड कार्य कारण रूपेण अभेदात मीन्स द pot is not different from clay. Therefore pot is nothing but clay. So karya is nothing but karanam, but karanam actually is different from karyam, because when karyam is not there, karana can exist, but when karana is not there, karyam cannot exist. So in that way there is abheda. समष्टि ब्रह्मांड अवयवान, ब्रह्मांड, आई इफ इट इज नॉट देयर यू मेक इट, समष्टि ब्रह्मांड अवयवान सर्वान् व्यष्टिपिंडावयवेषु संपाद्य पिंडावयविनं च ब्रह्मांड अवयवी आत्मना. पिंडांड और पिंड will become अवयव and ब्रह्मांड will become अवयवी. So समष्टि ब्रह्मांड अवयवान सर्वान व्यष्टि पिंडावयवेषु. The व्यष्टि पिंड is अवयव and समष्टि ब्रह्मांड is अवयवी. अवयविनं च ब्रह्मांड अवयवी आत्मना संपाद्य महेश्वरं तद आत्मतया अनुगतं ध्यायन्. Then meditating on that Paramatma Maheshwara as one's own self, tad atmataya anugatam dhyayan tasmin sthirīkrita antఃkaranas tat prasadat tasyeva nirvishesham tattvam पूर्वश्लोकैः अष्टभिः प्रतिपादितं साक्षात्कृत्य कृतकृत्यो भवति इति. So when meditating on avayava pindanda as the support, and in that support you invoke avayavi brahmanda, then having done that he becomes kritakritya. So निर्विशेषम तत्वम पूर्वश्लोकैः अष्टभिः प्रतिपादितं साक्षात्कृत्य. What was already explained in the earlier 8 shlokas, that nirvishesha tattva, in that if his mind settles down, then he is kritakritya. Tad etat sarvam kramena darshayati. Now in sequence it is explained. So how meditation will help in preparing the mind to realize Nirvishesha Brahma. Virat Sharire Brahmande Praninamapi Vigrahe Shatrinshat Tattva Sanghatas सर्वत्राप्यनुवर्तते. विराट शरीरे ब्रह्मांडे प्राणिनामपि विग्रहे. विराट शरीरे ब्रह्मांडे, इन दी विराट शरीर ब्रह्मांड, एंड प्राणिनाम विग्रहे, the prani vigraha is pindanda. The 36 tattva, Shatrimshat tattva sanghata, these 36 aspects are seen everywhere. Sarvatra api anuvartate, this sanghata is there in all, in Virat Sharira also and in Prani Sharira also. And therefore in my body, in my mind, I have to bring Paramatma's body. That concept will be further elaborated. Brahmande samashti rupe, praninam vigrahe vyashti rupe. So in samashti and in vyashti. Shatrimshat tattvani, what are these 36 tattva? It said dvitiya shloka ullase vivrutani. In the second shloka ullasa, they are explained. What are they? So that was said in the second shloka ullasa, shloka number 42, page number 56. They were given, which are just briefly mentioned here. Panchabhutani, 5 elements. Pancha pranaha, चतुर्दश इंद्रियाणि इति चतुर्विंशति, दैट इज 24, चतुर्विंशतिः। 5 + 5 + 10 सेंस ऑर्गन्स + 4 अंतःकरण, सो 24। देन महान कालः प्रधानम माया विद्या पुरुष इति षट्, 6 मोर, प्लस बिंदुनादौ शक्ति शिवौ शांतातीतौ इति षट्, 6 मोर। एवं षट्त्रिंशत् तत्वानि यानि शैवागमे प्रसिद्धानि, व्हाट इज वेरी वेल नोन इन शैवागम, तानि सर्वत्र पिंडे ब्रह्मांडे अपि अनुवर्तन्ते। दे आर देयर इन पिंड एंड एज वेल एज इन ब्रह्मांड। नहि पिंडम ब्रह्मांडातिरिक्तम किंचिद अस्ति। एज आई सेड, इफेक्ट इज नथिंग बट कॉज अलोन। तदपि अष्टमूर्ति व्यतिरिक्तम नास्ति, एंड दैट पिंड इज ऑल्सो नॉट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अष्टमूर्ति इति भावः। तत्र पिंडे ब्रह्मांड संपादन प्रकारं वक्तुं तावन् निमित्तमाह। नाउ इन पिंड, हाउ टू डू ब्रह्मांड संपादनम, सो दैट निमित्त, दैट हेतु is given. This is beautiful because once this is understood, then we will be able to think in this way. व्याप्तिर्व्यष्टि शरीरेऽस्मिन् मनसो व्यष्टिरूपिणः तस्मात् सर्वात्मकमिदम् स्वशरीरं विचिन्तयेत्। व्याप्तिर्व्यष्टिशरीरेऽस्मिन् मनसो व्यष्टिरूपिणः तस्मात् सर्वात्मकमिदं स्वशरीरं विचिन्तयेत्। So the Anvaya of the first line is actually in the reverse order. Vyashtirupinah manaso asmin vyashti sharire vyaptihi. Yasmat. You have to start with yasmat. Yasmat evam. Since the vyashti rupi means this individual, jiva, manasaha in his mind or through his mind, asmin sharire in his body, which body? Vyashti sharire vyaptihi. So his mind is pervaded in his body. Entire body is where mind pervades, and therefore all sensation also comes of the entire body, and identification is also there with the entire physical body. So aham bhav is in everything. Tasmat, therefore, sarvatmakam idam swashariram vichintayet. Therefore, in that mind, when I bring Paramatma, so then my body is sarvatmakam, means entire Brahmanda is my body. In this way I should think. Sarvatmakam idam swashariram. That is me. That is my body. This is called Sampad Upasana. In Brihadaranyaka it comes. It will be elaborated here also little bit. Tika. Vyashti rupino manaso asmin vyashti sharire vyaptir yasmat tasmad iti yojana. Vyashti rupinaha manasaha yasmat. Yasmat means since the vyashti rupi mind, individual mind, asmin vyashti sharire, in the individual body it pervades. Therefore, tasmat, in this body I can bring the whole Brahmanda. So the point is this: whatever I am able to bring in my mind, with that I can do identification, tadatmya. So if I can bring the whole Brahmanda in my mind, then I can do tadatmya. This is one principle, one concept. Another concept that I must know is, in Upasana, the greater the amount of detail that I dwell on, to that extent mind will remain more and more focused. And if I am more just superficial in upasana, then to that extent ekagrata will be less. That's why when the eyes are closed, mind is not thinking of anything else, then what we should do is we should dwell on different aspects, smaller and smaller aspects, and try to find connection, identification between the alambana, the support, and what is meditated upon. So this is the general principle. And we will see how that is done. Ta ete sarva eva samaha sarve anantaha. This is Brihadaranyaka Upanishad 3.5.13, means 1.5.13. What is said in that quotation is that all these through my speech, mind and prana, they all, in each of them, they are all pervading. Samaha, they all are ananta, infinite, pervading, and also they all are same in the sense that they all indicate Hiranyagarbha. So te ete means these three: speech, mind, prana. So all three are part of subtle body: Indriya, prana and antakarana, Sukshma Sharira. And their pervasiveness is to be understood. And Hiranyagarbha itself is Samashti Linga Sharira as Upadhi and Tadupahita Chaitanya. So in this way, Upasana is facilitated. Iti va. Iti vang mana pranan, not pranan. Pranan anukramya Hiranyagarbha rupena आमनानान मनसो व्यापकत्वम. Amnanat means through Vedat. So Vedas, they talk about their Vyapakatvam in the form of Hiranyagarbha. So this I should dwell on. My mind, my speech and my prana are also Vyapaka in this way. Tasya manah pradhana lingatmanah samashti sharirasya tat karya vyashti sharire vyapti upapattescha tadvara vyashti pindasyapi yuktam sarvatmakam iti bhava. Tasya manah pradhana lingatmanah, of this mind being the primary indicator, mana pradhana lingatma. So among speech, prana and mind sometimes they'll say prana, but mind here because we have to think through mind, that's why. For upasana I need mind because I have to entertain that vritti. Samashti sharirasya tat karya vyashti sharire. In that vyashti sharira karya, vyapti upapattehe, so that vyapti, pervasiveness can be seen. So the samashti sharira pervades the entire vyashti sharira. Tadwara, and through that vyashti pindasyapi yuktam sarvatmakam. And therefore the vyashti pinda is also sarvatma. In this way I can think. By bringing the samashti in vyashti, samashti buddhi in vyashti, vyashti will be sarvatmakam. In this way I should think. यस्माच्च एवं पिंड ब्रह्मांडयोः एक हिरण्यगर्भ रूपत्वाद अत्यंतम अभेदः तस्मात् पिंडात्मना महेश्वरोपासनया समष्टि ब्रह्मांडात्मतां लभते इति पिंडे ब्रह्मांड संपत्तिः कर्तव्या इत्याह. दिस संपत्तिः कर्तव्या इज संपद उपासना. यस्माच्च, सिंस, एवं, सिंस दिस इज द केस, पिंड ब्रह्मांडयोः एक हिरण्यगर्भ रूपत्वात् अत्यंतम अभेद. पिंडांड and brahmanda, they both are hiranyagarbha only. Means really there is no vyashti, it is only samashti. Therefore atyantam abheda. So what is meant is, my body is really not my body. My speech, my sense organs are not mine. My prana is not my prana. My mind is not my mind. Everything belongs to Paramatma. This is the main idea. In Upasana, I dilute my identification with my Upadhi. When it is diluted, then I will not go on paying attention to my Sthula Sukshma Sharira, my Vasanas. Then I will be able to pay attention to Chaitanya, which is beyond Sthula Sukshma Karana Sharira. Then Mahavakya will work. Tasmat Pindatmana Maheshwaropasanaya Samashti Brahmandatmatam Labate iti Pinde Brahmanda Sampattihi Kartavya. And therefore what will happen? Pindatmana Maheshwara Upasanaya. With the help of this pinda, pinda means this individual Sthula Sukshma Sharira Sanghata. Through that, through Ishwara Upasana, Maheshwara Upasanaya, Samashti Brahmandatmatam Labhate. Jiva. Jiva will attain Hiranyagarbhatva through Upasana in this very body, in this way. So, Pinde Brahmanda Sampattihi Kartavya. In this way, in Pinda, Brahmanda idea. Sampattihi means Sampadanam, to gather, to assimilate. So, I assimilate entire Brahmanda in me, sitting here, not going anywhere. But if I identify with only some pieces of this world, then I will get attached to them. But if I bring the whole world to myself, then I am fine. That is a true sadhaka. Anywhere, if I start narrowing down my vision, I will become Rajoguni. And if that thing itself is due to some Ragadvesha, some Bhoga, then I will become Tamoguni also. So, Brahmanda Sampattihi Kartavya Ityaha. Vyashtyupasanaya Pumsas Samashti Vyaptim Apnuyat Upasankramati Tyevam Dashakritva Upadishat. Vyashtyupasanaya Pumsas Samashti Vyaptim Apnuyat Upasankra. Pumsaha Vyashtyupasanaya. Pumsaha of Paramatma, of Bhagavan, through Vyashti Upasana means bringing that Paramatma in Vyashti, Samashti Vyaptim Apnuyat. That Vyashti will be able to pervade Samashti. Means the Vyashti mind, which is right now so narrow, is only focused on the individual body, senses, day-to-day needs, etc. It will be dwelling on entire Brahmanda. Dwelling on entire Brahmanda doesn't mean I worry about everybody's problems. Because sometimes people think, so what is expanding yourself? You worry about everybody's problems and then try to go out and help everyone. Remember, when it happens naturally, it is different. Not knowing anything, I get into everybody else's problem and try to think of solving all the problems also, then that will be not a good sign. It will be problem only. So that I must understand. Okay, give me 1 second. The Brahmanda aspect is to be brought in Pindanda. That is the main focus. If I can do that, then the Upasana will be successful. So, Pumsaha Vyashti Upasanaya Samashti Vyaptim Apnuyat. Where is it explained? Upasankramati iti evam dashakritva upadishat. So, in Taittiriya Upanishad, etad annamayam atmanam upasankramati, etad pranamayam atmanam upasankramati. In this way, upasankramanam is mentioned 10 times. So, 5 times it is explained as upasankramati and 5 more times it is given as upasankramya in this way. So, 10 times it is explained. That is what is quoted here, Dashakrit Upadishat. See in Tika. Pumso Vyashti Upasanaya iti Anvaya. So, Pumsas Vyashti Upasanaya. In this way you have to do Anvaya. Pumsaha means Parameshwarasya. Vyashti Sharira Antaratmana Upasanaya ityartha. Vyashti Sharira Antaratmana Upasanaya. Apnuyat. Kaha apnuyat? Upasakaha iti sheshaha. Upasaka shall attain this. What is the pramanam? Tatra pramanam aha upasankramati iti evam iti. Taittiriya Upanishadsu prathamam adhyatmam panchakoshan अन्नमयादीन अनुक्रम्य अन्ते एतम अन्नमयम आत्मानम उपसंक्रामति एतम प्राणमयम आत्मानम उपसंक्रामति एतम मनोमयम आत्मानम उपसंक्रामति एतम विज्ञानमयम आत्मानम उपसंक्रामति एतम आनंदमयम आत्मानम उपसंक्रामति इति पंचकृत्व संक्रमणम आनंदमय कोशांतर्गत सर्वाधार व्यापक ब्रह्म प्राप्ति रूपम उक्तम. So in this way 5 times the sankramanam is said up to Anandamaya Kosha, Anandamaya Koshantargatam, all that is there in that Kosha. Sarva Adhara Vyapaka Brahma Prapti Rupam Uktam. That which is the support of all, that is Brahma, its attainment. In this way it is explained. Tatha. So now here that word is there, Panchakritva. Panchakritva Kritvasuch pratyay is there. Sutra number, if you want, you write down 5417. संख्यायाः क्रियाभ्यावृत्ति, whenever this sankhya is mentioned, then sankhyayaha kriya abhyavritti ganane kritvasuch. At the, when in this way it is counted, then you have to use kritvasuch. Like navakritva is given for tattvamasi. Here it is panchakritva. तथा भृगुवल्यां च अधिदैवम, and in Bhruguvalli the adhideva. So in Anandavalli it is given adhyatmam, and then in Bhruguvalli adhidevam. Panchakoshan अनुक्रम्य अन्ते एतमन्नमयमात्मानुपसंक्रम्य इत्यादिना पंचकृत्वः तस्यैव संक्रमणम् आम्नातम् इति. So that is said by the Shruti Upanishad. परिच्छिन्न दृष्टिरपि पूर्णात्म विषयतया परिपूर्ण प्राप्ति हेतुता प्रमाण सिद्ध इत्यर्थः. परिच्छिन्न दृष्टि है अपि. सो इन द परिच्छिन्न दृष्टि ऑल्सो पूर्णात्म विषयतया परिपूर्ण प्राप्ति हेतुता. So even the one who has limited vision, परिच्छिन्न दृष्टि है अपि, through this संक्रमणात् पूर्णात्म विषयतया परिपूर्ण प्राप्ति हेतुता, this is प्रमाण सिद्धा. So there is pramanam that person who is of limited thinking, narrow mind, can expand his vision in this way. So this is very beautiful actually. It gives a comfort that it is said in Upanishad in this way. Of course, there are so many other places also it is given. But Acharya Vachan and Shruti will help me do this sadhana. Idanim sampattim anukramate. Now what is this sampat upasana? So that is being explained. Brahmandasyodare lokas सप्तभूरादयः स्मृताः मूलादिब्रह्मरन्ध्रान्ते श्वाधारेषु वसन्ति ते. ब्रह्माण्डस्योदरे लोकाः सप्तभूरादयः स्मृताः मूलादिब्रह्मरन्ध्रान्ते श्वाधारे. In Brahmanda there are 7 lokas. So actually there are 14, but you take 7 first. From Bhuhu up all the way. Bhuhu, Bhuvaswa, Mahajana, Tapa, Satyam. These 7 lokas, you have to map it to these 7 chakras in my dhyanam. भूरादय सप्तलोकाः ये ब्रह्मांडस्य उदरे स्थिताः वर्तन्ते ते, दोस् मूलाधारादि ब्रह्मरन्ध्रान्तेषु स्वाधारेषु वसन्ति. सो मूलाधार चक्र is nothing but bhuloka. See, it is given. Mooladhara is bhuhu, swadhishthana bhuvaha, manipuraka swaha, anahata mahaha, vishuddha janaha, agnya chakra tapaha, and sahasradhar chakra satyam. Iti ete lokaha vasanti. In this way you should do dhyanam. So this is a wonderful thing. Where is Brahmanda? In myself. And I need 7 things. Okay, here these 7 things are. So I am not worried, thinking only about little things. See, upasana, people think, to do lot of karma and activities, that is going to purify the mind. that is going to, in the beginning, it can exhaust some rajoguna. But if that person is too much into these activities only, it will only increase rajoguna. It is not going to reduce rajoguna. And these 7 chakras, they are right there available for all. So in that I can do Saptaloka Kalpana. So all of them are Ete Loka Vasanti iti dhyayet. In this way I should meditate. Now little how the elaboration is given. Veena संपूर्णे पिंडे लोक संस्थान संपत्तिम उक्त्वा तत्रैव भूलोक संस्थान विशेष प्रकारम आह. In the संपूर्ण पिंड लोक संस्थान संपत्ति is already said. Now there itself भूलोक संस्थान विशेष प्रकारम, भू भुवा सुवा there all are there, that विशेष प्रकार is explained. वीणा दंडो महामेरु रस्थीनी कुलपर्वताः गंगा तु पिंगला नाड़ी यमुनेडा प्रकीर्तिता सरस्वती सुषुम्नोक्ता नाड्योन्याः पुण्यनिम्नगाः नाड्योन्याः पुण्यनिम्नगा द्वीपास्युर्धातवः सप्त स्वेदबाष्पादयोऽब्धयः वीणादण्डो महामेरु रस्थीनी कुलपर्वताः गंगा तु पिंगला नाड़ी यमुनेडा प्रकीर्तिता सरस्वती सुषुम्नोक्ता नाड्योन्याः पुण्यनिम्नगाः द्वीपास्युर्धातवः सप्त स्वेदबाष्पादयोऽब्धयः. Veena Dandaha. So all these are now, my danda is, Veena Danda is nothing but Mahameru. Veena Danda means the spinal cord, that is like the Mahameru. The bones, Asthini Kulaparvataha, they all are the mountains. Ganga is Pingala Nadi, Yamuna is Ida, Saraswati is Shushumna, and all the other nadis are Punya Nimanagaha. They all are leading me to Punya, means holy places, Punya Kshetra. Dvipaha Syuhu Dhatava Sapta. These 7 continents are Sapta Dhatu. Sapta Dhatavaha Majja, Asthi, Meda, Pala, Rakta, Charma and Shukra. These are 7 continents. And Sweda Bashpadayo Abdhayaha, the sweat or the steam, hot steam that comes out from the mouth sometimes, these are all the oceans. In this way I should meditate. You see how much elaboration is given. Anta Sushiraha Prishthavamsho Veena-dandaha. The back in the body, back portion, Anta Sushiraha is Veena-danda. So in Hindi they call Peet ki reed, the backbone. That is Veena-danda. Anta Sushiraha, with holes in there, means breaks are there. That is Veena-danda. Saha Mahameru. Madhyatva Unnattatva Samanyat, because it is at the center and it is erect. That is a similarity. Tat Parshva Asthini Kula Parvataha Pariyatradayah. So all the other bones which are there, parshvasthini, they are the mountains. Pariyatra there. Why? Because they are paritah kshiptaha. So these are all the, what do they call? Ribs. Ribs, etc. They all are like the mountains. And the three rivers. Ganga nadim pingada nadyam sampadayet. Idayam yamunam. Sushumnayam saraswatim. Parshvayoho madhye cha prakataguptatva samanyat. This Saraswati is hidden mostly like that Sushumna. And Ida Pingala, Ganga and Yamuna, they are little bit more Prakata. So Prakata and Guptatva, both are there. Ida Pingala are behind and Sushumna is in front. Parshvayor Madhye cha Prakata Guptatva Samanyat Naditrayam Naditrayatmana Dhyayam. In this way you meditate. Anyasu nadishu sarva anya nadihi sampadayat. And all other rivers you should accommodate them in the other nadis. Iti. Tvagadayah saptadhatava. The skin etc. They are the saptadhatus. They are the jambudvadi dvipa. Dheya ityartha. They are the 7 continents. And sweda bashpadayah shariragaha. The sweat, the steam etc. that comes out, they are dvipa veshtita sapta samudratvena dheya. They are the oceans which are surrounding the 7 continents. So much thinking is there. Then further, so we will just read the 10th and 11th shloka. We will see Tika tomorrow. Mule tisthati kalagni rasthi madhye cha badavah vaidyutognis sushumnayam parthivo nabhimandale हृदि तिष्ठति सूर्याग्निः कपाले चंद्रमंडलम् नक्षत्राण्यपराण्याहुर् नेत्रादीनीन्द्रियाण्यपि मूले तिष्ठति कालाग्नि रस्थि मध्ये च बाडवः वैद्युतोऽग्निः सुषुम्नायां पार्थिवो नाभिमण्डले हृदि तिष्ठति सूर्याग्निः कपाले चन्द्रमण्डलं नक्षत्राण्यपराण्याहुर्नेत्रादीनीन्द्रियाण्यपि. So as I said, the more and more details are there, more focus will be there, greater attention can be paid. That is the key in this sadhana, upasana. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.